Hi guys, welcome to day one of our framing project. This is a classic project that's been done in many shop classes. We're going to use it as a resource to help students and anyone who doesn't know a lot about framing to get their feet wet. So let's get this started by laying down the sole plates.
Notice here that I mark out my 4-inch on center. I step back 3/16 off my 4-inch line. This is going to be the outside of each one of my studs. I then place the top plate beside and I transfer the lines over. Next, we're going to do the short wall. It's done almost exactly the same, except this time I'm hooking my tape over the end of the long wall to add the 7/8. Then I go ahead and mark my 4-inch on centers, stepping back 3/16. So here's the long wall with the big door. It begins by finding the center of the opening, dividing the RSO, the rough size opening, by 2, and then just measuring off the center line equal distances. After that's done, the double door requires 2 jack studs and 2 king studs, and then I'll go ahead, hook my tape on one end, and lay out my 4-inch on center. Another way you could do it is to take your opposite wall, which is your long wall, and just transfer your lines across. Here we are on our final wall. Same thing as the big door, we just find the center of the openings. In this case, we have a man door and a window. I then divide the number in half and step off the center line, the equal distances, and then I lay out 1 jack and 1 king for both the door and the window. After that's done, I transfer my 4-inch on center studs for above the doors, and we're all done.